welcome to Sekro Art. On this channel, I share some compass and ruler drawing, Gereh geometric patterns, and traditional architecture step by step. These are some of my hand-drawn studies, from woodworking Gereh patterns to traditional geometric design. Here, we don't just look at patterns, we learn how they are constructed with simple tools. You will see how geometry connects to tile work, karbandi works, architectural drawing, and also traditional design systems. If you are an artist, architect, designer, or pattern lover, this channel will help you understand the logic behind the forms. Start with the playlist, start here, compass and ruler geometry, and subscribe to Sekro Art. Thank you.